Hi, job seekers. Robert Mota here with RGV Operation Get Hired. And today I have Ms. Annabelle Arellano, Director of Recruitment at DHR. Today she's going to talk to us about the positions that she's currently recruiting for the positions of LVN, Licensed Vocational Nurse. Ms. Annabelle?
Hi, good morning, Robert. Thank you for having us. We really appreciate partnering with Workforce Solutions on this upcoming hiring event.
Great, thank you so much. And as always, it's a pleasure having you. And we're excited. You were mentioning earlier to me that you have quite a bit of openings for the position of licensed vocational nurse.
That's correct. We're currently seeking about 50 LVNs to join the DHR Health team. We do have two departments that they would actually be working in, which is our PCCU as well as our Med-Surg department.
And if someone's interested in applying, what requirements is it that they need to have? What education or licensing do they need?
Good question. So one of the things that we're asking for is that these licensed vocational nurses have their license in place. Also, they will be asking for a BLS certification that needs to be available at time of hire. If they are working in our PCCU department, we are asking that they have their ACLS at least within the first 6 months of hire.
Any room for advancement for this position?
Definitely. So one of the things that we're doing with this program is we're allowing for licensed vocational nurses to join the DHR Health team. This really allows for these individuals to determine if they would like to eventually move into a registered nurse position. It gives them the skill set, the knowledge, the experience, which eventually hopefully leads to continued education for them, as well as advancement in their career. One of the great things of transitioning from an LVN position to an RN position is that your scope of duties is widened. Also, your financial gains are also impacted when you do move into these types of positions, and can eventually lead to these individuals actually continuing their educations to become nurse practitioners, as well as to go into management positions. So I think this is a great way for DHR to give back to the community in allowing these LVNs to at least get to know what it's like to work in a hospital setting, especially because, Robert, most of LVNs work in maybe like a private doctor's office or work maybe for a home health agency, and they've been wanting to get a little bit more experience in a hospital setting.
Wow. So as you just heard from Ms. Annabelle, job seekers, this is a great opportunity for the LVN community out there, to use this as a stepping stone to hire their position into the registered nurse position. So as you heard, again, job seekers, if someone's interested, Ms. Annabelle, how can they apply, for these positions? I know that we're going to have the information on Work in Texas, and we'll be displaying the job posting ID that can provide them with additional details. Is there any other websites that they can go to?
Definitely. We want to invite them to visit the DHR Health website. On the website, there will be a position for an LVN in PCCU or an LVN in Med-Surg. There are day and night positions. This will allow the job seeker to actually review the position and see if it meets their needs, see if they actually meet the job requirements. So visiting our website, going into Work in Texas with your team would be great as well. I also want to let them know that we have a recruitment team that's available to answer any questions. So they're more than welcome to call 956-362-3211, and a recruiter can guide them, send them the link to the job posting to make sure that they have everything they need to be able to apply.
Job seekers, as you heard, a lot of great information was just provided to us right now. So again, for individuals that have the LVN's license and are interested in getting a registered nurse license, this is a great opportunity. So please keep DHR Health in mind. And again, as always, we are very grateful and thankful for Ms. Annabelle for joining us.
Well, thank you, Robert. We appreciate you helping us find qualified candidates to join the DHR Health team. It's always a pleasure working with Workforce Solutions. And just, if you are an applicant and you are looking to venture into a hospital setting and you have a licensed vocational nursing licensure, this is a great opportunity to build your skill set, and we hope that you will apply today.